Before you spend another dollar on energy drinks or supplements, watch this. If you wake up feeling weak, tired, and completely drained, your body might be missing essential nutrients. But today, I'm going to show you a simple, natural drink that can help boost your energy, support your liver, and even improve your skin, using ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's start with the first ingredient, carrot. We're going to use half a carrot. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This is extremely important for boosting your immune system, improving your vision, and supporting healthy skin. Carrots also provide natural sugars that give you a gentle energy lift without the crash you get from processed drinks. Next, take half a beetroot. Beetroot is one of the most powerful natural ingredients for increasing energy levels. It helps improve blood circulation and oxygen flow throughout your body. This is especially helpful if you often feel weak or fatigued. Beets are also rich in iron, which plays a key role in preventing anemia and keeping your energy stable throughout the day. Now we move on to half a cucumber. Cucumber is incredibly hydrating and refreshing. It's made up of mostly water, which helps keep your body hydrated and supports detoxification. It also contains antioxidants that help flush out toxins from your system, making it perfect for liver cleansing and improving overall health. Next, squeeze the juice of 2 fresh limes. Limes are loaded with vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune system and improves iron absorption from the beetroot. This combination is powerful because it helps your body actually use the nutrients more effectively. Lime juice also adds a fresh, tangy flavor that makes this drink enjoyable and easy to consume daily. Finally, add 1 glass of water. Water helps blend everything smoothly and ensures your body stays hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for energy, digestion, and detoxification. Without enough water, your body can feel sluggish and tired. Now that all your ingredients are ready, place them into a blender. Blend everything for about 1 minute until you get a smooth, consistent mixture. Make sure there are no large chunks left, so your body can easily absorb all the nutrients. Once blended, pour the mixture into a glass. You can drink it immediately to get the maximum benefits. Fresh juice always contains more active nutrients compared to something stored for later. Now let's talk about what this drink actually does for your body. First, it helps fight chronic fatigue and weakness. The natural vitamins and minerals in these ingredients work together to give your body a clean, sustained energy boost. Second, it helps prevent anemia. The iron in beetroot, combined with vitamin C from lime, improves your body's ability to produce healthy red blood cells. Third, it supports liver detoxification. Ingredients like cucumber and lime help your body flush out toxins, which can improve digestion and overall health. Fourth, it improves your skin. The antioxidants and vitamins help reduce dullness, support collagen production, and give your skin a natural glow. And finally, it provides a natural energy boost without caffeine or artificial ingredients. This means no crashes, no jitters, just clean, steady energy. For best results, drink this in the morning on an empty stomach or at least 30 minutes before breakfast. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients more effectively. Consistency is key. Try this daily for a few days, and you may start noticing a difference in your energy levels, skin, and overall well-being. If you found this helpful, make sure to save this recipe so you always have it on hand. And tell me in the comments, which city are you watching from? I'd love to know. Stay healthy, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video.